Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to change units. So you can create a parametric body and use sketch. I will choose the top plans. If you draw rectangles, the unit will be set into the millimeter. Okay, I will create for the dimension here. And if you want to change the units, you can go to edit menu, click preference. Will be show for the preference dialog box, and in general you can change default unit systems like inner will set to the imperial decimal, and then don't forget to check ignore projects unit systems use default. Click apply to change the units. Click OK again, so the unit will be changed into inch. Okay, to change again you can click edit, go to preference, and then you can choose your unit here. Okay, I will use in this building US and click apply to set the unit. Click OK again. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to change units.